No. No, 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 no.
Molly.
No, Mishka says, I don't listen. Did Molly get down?
Yeah.
Molly.
Molly, guacamole.
Ouch. Typical evening at the Sandra residence, along with complimentary face washing. Oh, God. Her loves you. You know how we know her loves you? Look at that little tail. Look at that little tail. I love her tail. Little barky butt. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, and Captain Bounce a lot, but just bowled Shiloh over. Hey, buddy. Shiloh just says screw it and lays comfy. Dee Dee.
Molly.